Hello and welcome back. Now in this video we are going to be discussing how you go about picking a product to promote. Now hopefully you have already gone through the process of determining what the most frequently asked questions are in your niche and the problems that people are effectively desperate to solve. And that's going to help us pick the right product that's going to help us to generate the most sales. Now one of the things that you want to keep in mind here is that you want to pick the product inside of that ClickBank network in the market niche you are operating in. And when you do that, you are going to evaluate that product. Is this something that looks appealing to you? Would you buy it? And I'll show you what that means here in a minute. Take a look at the basic statistics. Does this product look like it's already selling? Are other affiliates promoting it? And I'll show you how to tell that inside of ClickBank here. Then look for it in search engines. Does it appear like it's a popular product? Now, here's one thing that you don't want to do. You don't want to get caught in the paralysis of analysis. Don't spend too much time looking or wondering. Pick a product and promote it. Now, here's why we say that. Now, you are probably going to be building a business inside of the niche market that you carefully picked. And you're not going to be building your business around one product. So if you find that this product does not work, the one that you pick, don't worry over it. There are going to be lots of other products that you will be able to find and promote in order to get a sense for what the market really wants. Now, let's go take a look at the ClickBank network. Now, you will notice that I am inside of the ClickBank network, and I have placed a search inside of the marketplace and place a search called dog training, since that is the term that we are working from. Now, when I do that, I'm going to be getting back some search results based on, as ClickBank calls it, keyword relevance. Now, one of the things that I like to look at right away is I like to find out, well, are other affiliates promoting this product? Because typically, if other affiliates have been doing it, it's typically they're doing it because they're able to generate income from it. And so one of the first things that I do is I go back and I'll sort by gravity. And then I'll try to find the most relevant product to my niche. Here's these two are not on dog training, but this one is. So now, before I hit that promote button, before I decide on looking at it, I want to look at this product to see, is this something that I really want to promote? Is this something that really is going to be worth my time? So I'm going to go ahead and click inside of this link. And when I come to this page, look, I see a pretty attractive sales page and something that looks to be appealing. It looks like something that someone has put some time into. There are lots of modules in there, and I might even be able to find, some of those frequently asked questions that I was looking for. And so what I basically want to get a sense for is this something that people are going to want to buy? Is this something that looks appealing? Because unfortunately, or fortunately, people do buy packaging. And so when they come to the site, you want to make sure that they're going to be attracted to it and that they're going to want to seek more information about this particular product. Well, then this seems to be a good product to go through that promotion process. Now, I'm going to come back here to ClickBank, and then probably this one isn't going to be relevant to my particular niche, but this one is. And so I'm going to want to look here. I'm going to want to go through that same process. Let's take a look at this page to see if it is appealing to us. Well, maybe it isn't as appealing as the other one, but it does have its own set of pros, and it actually has some testimonials, and we might be able to look at this one as one that's going to be secondarily. Now I'm going to stop this video here. Now what we'll notice is that this product is one that someone has put some work into, and yes, we will be able to put this in front of people and feel confident that if they're really looking for answers on dog training, that they're going to see a good product and a good offer that they might want to consider buying. And so you'll want to just continue to go through the offers, looking for those offers that first fit those frequently asked questions, and then look appealing as if it's going to be something that someone is really going to want to buy. It's really going to satisfy their need to answer questions. And once you have a suitable number. Let's say you have 2 or 3 top offers. Pick one, and then let's go to the next phase where we're actually going to take that link. We're going to then look at it. We're going to hide it, and I'll show you what that means here in a minute. And then we are going to start promoting it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.